Hello everyone, Valley Turtle here. I think today's gonna be a bit of a longer video because I'm here at a nice little baseball field. There's no one here, and I'm just gonna be walking around, and I think that'll be pretty fun. So yeah, let's just head around here. Here's the field, by the way. There's another one over there, and a third one way past that. I've been here before, but yeah. I'm just gonna look around, find some cool stuff. Kind of snuck my way in here. Oh wow, okay. See, this isn't the best Balisong flipping content. Maybe it's a different style. See, I just wanted to switch up the content a little bit into maybe a longer video. So I went ahead, I deleted a whole bunch of stuff from my phone. That way I can make a longer video. So this is like 15 minutes, it's 15 minutes. If it's 5, it's 5. But we'll see. You don't think I could jump this? Nah. I don't know about that. Oh, I probably could, but I'm not gonna risk it. Because I have my phone in one hand. It's because the cameras are on. But I have my phone in one hand, so you know. Anyway. That was a pretty cool little spot. I have no idea what that's for, so if any of you all play baseball, just let me know what it is. And if I was supposed to be in there. But hey, it was open. I'm not doing the greatest right now, that's okay. Let's see what's over here. There's bathrooms. I did not check those. So, I don't know if there's people in there. There is trash in there. This is locked. I can almost hold my phone up to it to see what's in there. It doesn't look like much. We're at the visitors. There's a bunch of hoses everywhere. Is this unlocked? I know I'm allowed in here. This is just a field. But yeah, I think longer videos would be pretty cool. So, just to bring that up, if you all think having a long video every once in a while would be nice, let me know in the comments if this is interesting to you all. I won't be talking much, there's not really much to say, but it's just kind of cool walking around, seeing what's around. There's the scoreboard. It's crazy how they have 3 scoreboards for the different fields. I mean, it makes sense, but like, I don't think this place is very funded. I don't know though. Maybe it is. Now we're back like where we started, but it's not. I have a cement brick. There's a water bottle too. I'm gonna put this back. I'm not drinking this, by the way. This is somebody else's water. I'm just throwing it out. Now we're at the home thing. I don't know what it's called either. I've literally never partook in baseball activities. So, again, let me know what it's called. I'd be interested to hear. I mean, I could always use Google, but, like, it's more interesting to hear about it. There's a wheelbarrow over there. I'm gonna go by there. Oops. Oh, I also brought 2 Balisongs, just in case. Here's my other one. I guess I could have hit this trash can instead, because it would have been quicker. But I didn't see it at the time. Ooh, what was that? Cool. I don't want to, like, touch other people's stuff. I mean, this I don't think anybody would care if I touched. Look at how broken it is. It's like a half-size shovel. The mix between a spade and a shovel. There's another break. I'm gonna act amazed by a whole bunch of common things. This one's already empty. I don't have to touch the nasty lid. Although the last one looked pretty new. So, I don't think it would be that nasty. That one looks old though. That's an old water bottle. If there's people in the bathroom, it's probably pretty scary hearing someone outside. I think I just got called. It probably means I gotta go back home. But I'll go see. I'll stop the recording to check real quick. I'm back. I'm over at the concession stand now. Wait, was I already at this one? I was at this one. I'm so confused. We're almost at the last one. And then I gotta go back to the house. So, that'll be fun. I gotta stop dropping this during chaplains. Switch them out. There's a house over here, so I might be a little more careful flipping a knife near it. I don't want people to look out their windows. There's a kid at the baseball field flipping a knife. There's a tiny bench over here. I guess it would be cooler if I kept the camera up the whole time. Otherwise, you all are just seeing the ground and me walking. I'll do that next time. Look at the mountains. My blurry, dirty camera. This bench is more comfortable than those metal ones, though. Mud. Well, we are at the end of the 3 fields. There's the last one. So yeah. If you all enjoyed, let me know in the comments if you'd like to see more long videos every once in a while. Or if you found it interesting, let me know. And I will see you all.